Guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can link multi-pixels to your Shopify store with easy setup without need any coding or Google Tag Manager. Very simple. First of all, let's go to our Shopify store. Sorry guys, let's go to our Shopify store. Go to our Shopify store and let's add this application Pixelify multi-pixel. Install. Very easy, very simple app. We can add as many as pixel we want. We can add TikToks, we can add Snapchat, and also all of them they are multi. Okay, next, enable the app, embed. Click save. Done. Next, select. Let's give it 1 pixel 1. Let's activate the conversion API. Okay, settings. Pixel. Go down. Access okay. Copy. And let's add test code. Go to test event, copy, save. Next, solve the problem, and you can also choose the yearly plan with more than 50% off. Yeah, if you want to. And yeah, click approve. Here is the UI of the app. If you want to add more, Facebook here, TikToks here, Snapchat here. Very easy, very simple. Okay guys, let's go test if this pixel is been working. As you see, it's working. TikTok also working, Snapchat also working, only with one app. Very easy, very simple. Let's add new one. Click add. Same steps. Go to the second pixel, go to settings, copy the ID, add ID, my pixel 2. Let's add this, copy, paste, test event. That's it guys, let's go here, as you see it's been working. Thank you guys. If you need any help, any question, let me know in the comment below.